guys, welcome back. I'm here with another tutorial, and what I'm going to be showing you today is how to create a natural side part frontal. The frontal that I'm using is from my collection. You can purchase one of these at hairbyerickaJ.com. They come pre-plucked, but today I'm going to be plucking a little bit more. So she's only going to be using 2 bundles in this frontal. And we're going to pluck and make it look more natural than it already looks, just because she has a smaller head than most. I'm going to attach the link for my plucking tutorial down below, and stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. This is how the frontal looks after me plucking a little bit more, and this is how it looks before. After, before. And what I'm showing you now is how my frontals come. This is my body wave frontal in its natural state, and it's already pre-plucked, as you can tell, and I'm going to put it up against my skin so you can see how well it blends. This is a Swiss lace, and the color that it is light brown. This will blend with anyone's skin tone. You can tint this lace to be darker if you'd like, but this is the lightest lace that you can buy other than transparent. And this one in this clip, of course, is the one that I've already bleached the knots, and the one that I'm plucking, and the one that I'm going to be applying on my client. I hope you guys have watched my ball cap method at this point. If not, I'm going to attach the link for that below as well. When you're installing your lace, you always want to have your client help you hold it down, just so you can put it in the right place and make sure it doesn't move. Once you get the lace exactly where you want it, you're going to proceed with sewing the back of the lace down. And right now I'm just going to show you how well this lace blends and how good it looks against her skin, and it hasn't even been glued down yet. Right now I'm showing you the right way and the wrong way. The wrong way is to just continue to sew without pulling the lace down on the sides. You always want to pull the lace down on the side so you can have a very, very flat frontal install. While your customer is still holding the front down, you can proceed with sewing the frontal. Keep this same pattern, this same momentum going. Watch how the needle is coming out. That's incorrect. You do not need to have your needle coming all the way out there. It needs to just come directly out in front of the lace or in back of the lace. That's the correct way. And you're just going to keep the same consistency going until you're all the way to the other side and you've completed sewing your frontal down. I'm going to do it wrong one time just so you can see how awkward it looks and how awkward it will make your install. It's wrong. Don't do that. So you see how I have the same consistency, the same amount of spaces in between. You keep that going. Now you're just going to go ahead and cut the rest of the cap off, and you're going to proceed with sewing your bundles in. If you'd like to see me sew the bundles in from start to finish, comment below and let me know. So my next install, I'll show you guys how I sew my tracks in. But now you're just going to go ahead and cut the lace off. I use the eyebrow razor, and like I said before, and like I say all the time, I want you guys to do what works best for you. If you like to use the razor, use that. If you like to use scissors, use those. Some mistakes sometimes where you miss some areas with the glue, and you could just go back in and fix that. Just touch it up. I really love the way this lace is looking and blending up on her skin. And like I said before at the beginning of this video, this lace will fit anyone's skin tone. This is the lightest lace that you can purchase aside from a transparent lace. And if you're a darker skin tone, of course you can use makeup or lace tint, whichever is good for you. Baby hairs are not necessary. However, I do whatever my client asks me to do. So if you want baby hairs, I give you baby hairs. If you don't want baby hairs, you don't have to have them. However, in this video, she wants baby hairs. So that's what we're going to do. You already know by now, or if you're new here, I hope you get accustomed to my videos and to my routine and to my techniques. We're going to cut the baby hairs as you see me doing. Me cutting these short hairs is going to represent the baby hairs. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys a different technique that you can use when it comes down to the baby hairs. I'm using a little bit of the mousse, and you'll see I'm going to get some of this. Once you've molded the hairs down and they've dried, you're just going to comb them out with a small toothed comb. Hot combing the roots is definitely a necessity. It's going to give it that super flat, super natural look. Don't be afraid to use the hot comb. Just don't burn yourself and don't burn your client. The separation from the frontal to the tracks is a very noticeable thing, but doing this step will help you have a very natural install. After you finish pressing over the line of the tracks in the frontal, you're just going to go ahead and press your frontal out. To me, this is looking like a fresh perm more than it looks like a sew-in. But this is the technique that I was telling you guys. You're just going to get the Gots to Be spray gel. Well, I said that wrong. You're just going to get the Gots to Be holding spray, and you're just going to spray it on your comb. And this is just going to help you define your baby hairs a little bit more. And if your client doesn't know how to fix their baby hairs, this is going to give them a long hold when it comes down to their baby hairs. This technique is also very, very easy to do. As long as you're using a small toothed comb, you'll get these same results. And you're just going to complete the same steps on the opposite side and complete your install. Like I said, this looks more like a fresh perm more than it looks like a sew-in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you already know how I feel about BioSilk. I put BioSilk on everything. I put that on everything. No, literally. I love that stuff. I really live by it. I put it on everything. I love it. I love the results that it gives. It gives you a very sleek and smooth finish. And once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye.